This is GALAS, where sewing meets sisterhood. Tables full of projects and big creative energy. Open sew time equals pure happiness. Embroidery, quilting, and everything in between. Look what I made moments all day long. Fabrics out, ideas flowing, friends cheering friends on. Demos that spark new obsessions. Giveaways and surprises, of course. Dance breaks are encouraged. You'll laugh a lot. You'll sew even more. You'll leave full of inspiration. GALAS 2026 Under the Stars is open now. Limited seats, so grab your spot and come sew with the girlfriends.